Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got the 100mph Traxxas Slash Project out with me once again. Now in the last video you saw me cut up this body. This is a low-C body that I have put on this Traxxas Slash. So I cut up the body to make it a little more aerodynamic and have the wind funnel through it, I guess you could say. My plans to do it with the Slash body as well, but I decided to start off with this body. I actually did a few more cuts since the last video. I added this cut right down in here. So I cut this part right here out of the front of the hood, and then I also added these ones right here and here. I cut this out bigger because I just had two holes here, and I cut out the very back. So I made this as aerodynamic as I possibly could. I thought about taking a little bit more out of the top, but I decided in the end not to do that. But so yeah, we're out here to test it out, guys, and this is the first time running the 6S system. So let me pull the body off and show you the 6S system that I have put in it. Same gearing as last time. Here we go. Alright guys, so we're running the exact same gearing as last time, so the 34 tooth pinion and the 54 tooth spur gear. The only difference is we've upgraded to this Firma 150 amp ESC. And if you did see the video before last, you saw that I was having issues because I didn't realize when I bought this 6S pack right here, this is a smart technology pack. It's a 5,000 milliamp, 100 C discharge rate. It's a Spectrum pack. And I thought it would fit down in here. It turns out it does not fit. It will not fit underneath the motor, number one, and it's too wide to fit in that tray. So in the end, I just zip tied the heck out of it and zip tied it to the actual battery strap and zip tied it along the side where hopefully, even if this thing does flip, hopefully it doesn't come in contact and land on the battery. That's my biggest concern. So it's now more off to the side, but as you guys can see, this has the smart ESC, the IC5 connectors. Not sure if you can read that, IC5. So we shouldn't have any issues with voltage issues or anything like that. But I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it with the body on, and then if the body does start catching air, we're gonna do it with the body off. And since the last time, guys, I had to buy a new GPS, because the last time I was here with actually it was with my Arma Kraton EXB, I crashed right down here. So I crashed with my Arma Kraton EXB, and I had the exact same GPS, it was just in white. And when I crashed, it flew off and it broke. Like it wouldn't turn on after that ever again. Recharged it, wouldn't turn on. So I bought another one of the exact same kind, exact same model, just in red. Because I thought, every single time it's fallen off, I've had issues finding the white one, especially out here in the snow, especially if it goes a little bit off to the side of the road because it's white and gray on the back side. This one, at least, it's a little easier to see because it's black on the one side and it's red on this side. So that's why I went with a little bit flashier color. So if it does fly off, I'll be able to spot it. So let me get this hooked up, guys, and we're gonna jump right in this video. All right, guys, I got the GPS hooked up, got my controller turned on. Now let's go ahead and turn on the ESC. All right, 6 cells, it beeps 6 times. Let me get the body on, and then we'll make a few passes. All right, guys, time for the first pass. Let's go ahead, we'll take it down to the dead end, guys. I did recalibrate the ESC, guys, because I hooked it up to my Traxxas transmitter and receiver, so I made sure the throttle endpoints, or that it knew where the throttle neutral and everything was. And here we go, guys, easing on the throttle. Okay, easing. Ooh. The body still caught like a sail. Take it down again, let's do another pass. We might have to do it with the body off again. I think I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get on this side right here because I think I've decided that down in here, coming closer down here, it makes it less likely to lift up because it's lifting up right along here. I think it's hitting like a bump or something here. All right, guys, here we go. Easy on the throttle. Whoa! Oh no, guys, the wheel fell off. Oh no. Crap, guys, the wheel came off, the GPS flew off, everything flew off. And now it's crashed underneath the Jeep. And the most it showed was 48. Oh my gosh, bummer. It split the drive shaft. Holy crap. Where the pin goes through, guys, it just completely broke. I'm really bummed out now. So the wheel came off, we lost the pin underneath. The drive shaft itself, actually, the stub axle broke. I think I have another one at home, but I'm like 20 minutes from home, so I guess I gotta go back, go get another one, come back out. Bummer. I think next time we're gonna have to try it with the body off, guys, because clearly that did not work. Even with all those cuts I made, guys, it's still catching air. Let's go find all the other bits. I don't know if I'll find the stub axle. I don't know exactly where it came off at. Oh, here it is right here. Luckily I found this piece right here, guys, because I need this piece. This little piece that I tightened down with like an the Allen's key right here, I need that. I lost one of the bearings, but I do have more bearings at home if I can't find that. That did not go as I had hoped. This is what happens when you're going for fast speeds, guys. Stuff doesn't always go to plan. Didn't go to plan at all, actually. Guys, if you're liking the video so far, hit that thumbs up for me. That was unfortunate breakage. I have to go all the way back home, go get another stub axle, and then come back out here. I'm gonna end it right now with you guys, and I'm gonna be out. I'm just gonna come back, and we're probably gonna do this all in the same video. So I'll be right back with you guys once I get back out here. All right, guys, fast forward about an hour, hour and a half. I am back out with the Slash. I ended up having to replace the axle. I don't remember which side it was, but it was one of the front ones, because I crashed it right along here, and it broke the actual stub axle, and it broke where the pin goes through the hole. So I had to go all the way home, go get it. So that was about 20 minutes one way. And long story short, guys, this time I am not going to use the body on it, because I think we're gonna have to find something else for aerodynamics, because we didn't even get up to 50 miles per hour before that thing caught like a sail, went in the air, and then that's why it broke my wheel, or broke my stub axle. So we can't have that again. So this time, guys, we're gonna run it. I'm gonna try to run it carefully, because I don't want this battery to get damaged. Luckily, it looks like the battery's all right, because we landed pretty hard when I flipped it last time, so the body did its job, but now we're doing it without a body. So that's a little bit more sketch, but I have got it on. I have got the GPS. My strap broke also when I crashed, so I'm out of straps, so I had to zip tie it on this time, so it's set to record the max speed. I just got to be very careful. Anyway, let's just get started and get going. All right, 6 cell, guys. We'll go ahead, we'll take it down there, and we'll bring it past. Ready? Here we go. Easing on the throttle. It's just so squirrely. The braking on this is almost non-existent, so I don't know what the setting is stock on this thing, but it has like no brakes, so I have to be very, very careful. Here we go. Okay, we're all the way down there. Oh, I flipped it. It landed upright. Hopefully the GPS is still on it, because if it's not, we just lost it all the way down there. But let's bring it past. Let's go for a top speed pass right here, guys. Ready? Here we go. Easing on the throttle. It's just so squirrely. Let's bring it back and see what we got. Well, let's do one more. Ooh. And there went the GPS, guys. The GPS I did see come off. Let's go get it. So even though I had it zip tied on, it came off. So you could see what happened. I really tried to give it full throttle. Okay, where did it come off at? I thought I saw it fly off somewhere over here. Here's a zip tie. Might have to turn this off, guys. I'll search for it, and hopefully I'll find it, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, I am back. Fast forward another about 15 minutes. I was looking all the way down there walking for it, because I thought that's where it came off. That's where the zip tie flew off. But it turns out it was all the way down there when I flipped it. So I ended up getting back in the Jeep, because I couldn't find it down there. I went all the way down there, almost ran over it with my Jeep. Fortunately, I didn't, but I did get it. It was on the road. And here's the speed it actually picked up. It didn't turn off, so it picked up 69 miles per hour even, guys. So that's the most we've gotten. I'm gonna zero it out and we're gonna get it zip tied back on and do it over again. So let's go ahead, take it down there, guys. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think I need to do for aerodynamics? I think I need some sort of wing, but also since it's catching air underneath and it's bringing the front up, I think I need to make some sort of front, I think it's called a splitter or a front lip spoiler. I think that's what I need to do because we need more downforce. Because it even wants to catch air even with the body off. Easing on the throttle from that direction, guys. Here we go. Come on. Nope. And there went another wheel, maybe? Another wheel went, I think, guys. Okay, here's a wheel. So the same thing happened as last time, guys, it looks like. Yep. Same thing happened as last time, the stub axle broke. This time a rear one, though. Oh, my battery flew off. I hope that that battery's still okay, because it started to get into the pack. Crap. Because this cost 160 bucks. Well, let's see. I think the GPS is still on it. Way to get. Okay, the most we got that time was 67, guys. So we're not even getting over. Was that 67? Yeah, 67. So we're not even getting up over 70. Hopefully that cell's not damaged. It definitely got into the cell. When I was packing up, I might have grabbed another rear axle. Let's see. We might be able to go have one more go at it because I realized, couldn't remember if I grabbed another axle. This was another axle I had. I grabbed it when I left. I think this is a rear axle, so if it is, I can get this undone. And I did bring some more pins because all we need is an axle and a pin like down in there, and I think we can get this thing going again. I'll work on this, see if I can get it fixed up real quick, guys, and then we'll try one more time. Alright, so all my straps that I had were broken, so I kind of tied them into a knot. So I do actually have this thing strapped back down, kind of. Let's go ahead, let's get it turned on. It's zeroed back out again, guys, set to record the max speed. Yeah, I totally forgot that I put a drive shaft in there because I'm like, okay, if it happens again, but I couldn't remember if it was a front or a rear. It was a rear, so we're in luck, I guess. I guess if you want to call it luck. I don't know if I'd call it luck because so far I wouldn't say we've been lucky. Here we go, guys. Easy on the throttle. That might be the most we're gonna get. I still didn't get up to full speed either. Let's bring it back. Easing on the throttle, guys. Well, you guys can see what happened. It just crashed. Well, let me jog down and get it. Let's see what we got, guys. Hopefully it picked up some sort of speed. This has just been one of those times, guys, where the stuff hasn't gone well. This pack may be destroyed, guys. Look at that. Well, this is the most we've gotten. I don't know if you guys can read that, but it just got 70 miles per hour. All right, guys, 70.7 miles per hour. That's the most we got. Might have damaged the battery in the process, though. There's definitely some sort of sparking that was just happening, guys. I could smell it. It was starting to smoke a little bit. That's not good. If you guys liked the video, please hit that thumbs up button for me. This has been a very disappointing run, only getting 70 miles per hour and destroying a $160 battery, because I think that's destroyed now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see, and I pushed down on it, it started to make little crackle noises, and I could smell it burning real quick. So I unplugged it real quick. For anybody who is running 6S on their Slash, let me know, how do you have it set up? I might need some super low profile pack that can fit up underneath this battery tray, because you can see what happened. I was really worried. I was super worried about, oh, and look at our wire right here, completely destroyed. I think it's safe to say I'm not going to try to use this one again. This one does not look safe. 70.7 is the most we got. I was hoping for quite a bit more, but you guys can see the aerodynamics of this thing. It can't go through the air. Now I'm gonna have to order another battery. I really need one that's gonna fit up underneath this battery tray. I can't sacrifice another battery like that hanging off to the side like this. I will see you guys in another video. Later.